Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to buy USD on Binance US. First, you'll need to set up and verify your account. This ensures a smooth and secure experience. Once verified, you can easily deposit funds using various methods, such as a bank transfer or a debit card. After your account is funded, head over to the Buy Crypto section to begin your purchase. It's a straightforward process designed for ease of use. Next, decide how you want to acquire your USD. You can directly buy it with US dollars from your funded account, or you might choose to convert other cryptocurrencies you already hold. Simply input the amount of USD you wish to purchase. Before finalizing, always take a moment to review all the transaction details, including the price and any associated fees. This helps prevent any surprises. Once you've reviewed everything, confirm your order to complete the purchase. Your USD will then be promptly added to your Binance US wallet, ready for use. For enhanced security, we highly recommend enabling two-factor authentication on your account. This extra layer of protection helps keep your assets safe. Buying USD is quick and efficient once you're familiar with these steps. Now that you have USD, you can use it for various purposes. Many users trade it for other cryptocurrencies on the platform, taking advantage of its stability. You can also transfer your USD to an external wallet if you wish to store it elsewhere. Additionally, explore options like staking or lending your USD to potentially earn rewards. The possibilities are extensive with this versatile stablecoin.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.